Tappy activated. Get ready to process the most exciting part of the process, launching your meme coin. To do it, list it on a cryptocurrency exchange. Make sure there is enough liquidity for trading and everything is secure and meets legal requirements. Boosting your crypto IQ. If your meme coin has a strong reputation, you can monetize it by selling branded products or allowing others to use your brand for a fee. You can also make money by allowing users to spend your coin as in-game currency in virtual worlds or online games. You can also charge transaction fees for using your platform. This way, you can earn money every time someone makes a transaction on your platform. I bet your circuits are buzzing with the question, how much does it cost to create a meme coin? It can change depending on factors like the platform you choose to launch it on. If you pick Ton or Solana, the cost will be the lowest and the chances for success the greatest. The cost also depends on how complex the coin is. More advanced features will raise the cost. In general, creating a meme coin can cost between $5,000 and $60,000. I'll answer your most popular questions in the next videos. Tappy deactivated.